Ashish and Aakash are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So here there are two partners, Ashish and Aakash. They are sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Their capital accounts had a credit balance of rupees 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs respectively as on 31st March. So what is 31st March? 31st March is the end of the year. Okay, the year the month in which we close the accounts, right? So these are this amount of 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs. They are the credit balance. It means they are the closing capitals of the two partners. After debit of drawings during the year of 1,50,000 and 1 lakh respectively. Okay, during the year they had withdrawn rupees 1,50,000 and 1 lakh, both of the partners. Okay, and the 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs are their closing balances. The net profit for the year ended 31st March was 5 lakhs. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 10% per annum. Now over here, it is to be kept in mind that interest on capital is always calculated on the opening capital, never on the closing capital. Okay, so in order to find out the interest on capital, first we have to calculate the opening capital of the partners. We have to find out the opening capital and then calculate the interest on capital. Pass the journal entry for interest on capital and prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, here we are only asked to pass the journal entry for interest on capital. So there's only one journal entry that needs to be passed here. Let's start with the sum. First, we'll make our working notes. Now, what are these working notes for? This is for the calculation of our opening capital first. Okay, so first is closing capital of the two partners. Okay, first we'll write down the two partners' name. One is Ashish and the other partner is Aakash. Now the closing capital of the partners are 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs. With this we add the drawings. Why? Because drawings was done during the year. So if we add the drawings, we'll come to know the opening capital of the partners. Drawings is 1,50,000 and 1 lakh. Now our closing capital plus our drawings give us the opening capital. So it's 6 lakhs, 50,000 and 7 lakhs. Now on these capitals, on these opening capitals, we'll calculate the interest on capital. Interest on capital is at 10%. So we'll just cut down 1 0 from each of them. Ashish interest is 65,000 and Aakash is 70,000. Okay, now we'll do the sum. First is journal entry. The format for journal entry we've got to make. Ledger folio, date. Journal entries for the year. Date. Particulars. LF. Debit. Rupees. Credit. And rupees. Our date would be 31st March. It will be profit and loss, appropriation account debit, to Ashish capital account. Over here the capitals of the partners are not fixed. Okay, unless and until the capitals are fixed, we are not going to transfer the capital, the interest on capital to the current accounts. Ashish capital account to Aakash capital account. The amounts we've already calculated. For Akash it is 70,000. For Ashish it is 65,000. So the total that goes into our profit and loss appropriation account is 1,35,000. Narration would be being interest on capital transferred to partners. Either write partners or to partners capital accounts. Okay, now after this we are asked to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Again, the format needs to be prepared for it. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending, your debit and your CR. Okay, now particulars. Amount in rupees. Again, particulars and amount in rupees. Now first would be our net profit. By net profit, it's already given in the sum. The net profit is rupees 5 lakhs. Now over here we'll take down our interest on capital. To interest on capital, first one is Ashish capital, Ashish and Aakash. Ashish it is 65,000 and for Aakash it is 70,000. So our total interest on capital is 1,35,000. Now 5 lakhs is greater than 1,35,000, so we get a profit here. So we'll write the next step is to profits transferred to Ashish capital account and Aakash capital account. Aakash capital account. Okay, we'll bring down the total here. The total on either side will be 5 lakhs. The greater amount will be written on both the sides. Now 5 lakhs minus 1,35,000 is, we can do this in our working notes, minus 1,35,000 is 3,65,000. So the total profits that needs to be transferred is 3,65,000. Now this profit of 3,65,000 will be divided between the two partners, Ashish and Aakash, in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, so this this amount of 3,65,000 will be divided between the two partners in the ratio of 3:2. So Ashish will be getting a profit of 2,19,000 and Aakash will get a profit of 1,46,000. With this, our sum comes to an end.